Good morning from Bali. Local holidays are nearly finishing, but it still feels like Sunday because it's very busy. So many people everywhere around. And we are in Sanur by the morning around 8 o'clock because yesterday was nearly impossible to make any kind of video at night. The traffic situation and everything was just unbelievable and impossible to do anything, just simply anything, not possible. Anyways, this is the Sanur in the morning and the characteristic lobster of Sagara. Here this lobster is for already 50 years here. It's nice, they refurbish it, it's very nice, very beautiful at morning. Definitely Sanur in the morning is enjoyable and it's still early but still busy to compare to my previous video especially. And as you can see, still mostly local people here in Sanur at the morning. It feels literally like a Sunday morning, but it's Tuesday morning. Well, this is Sagara Village. We have a coffee actually this morning there, very nice, always. Aircon room, the best, but you can still enjoy the bird like this one, because the name is like this one. Anyways, I'm gonna show you a little bit around what's going on. Also very interesting story. I want to share it because it's so funny. We were in the hotel, you know, in Nusa Dua. That's the 4-star hotel by Accor, obviously. And I'm gonna show you. There was some family. What they did actually, tell me.
Yeah, well, actually, that few days ago we went to Nusa Dua, right? We showed you how it is Nusa Dua actually, and then we stayed in one hotel, and then when Damian checked in the hotel, it was packed of people, and I will show you the video, and then you can, say about that. All right, so in this video, you see that when we were queuing, checking in the hotel, group of people bringing so many stuff, including water gallon and also including sleeping mattress. Imagine that you come into the 4-star hotel and then you bring so many stuff, but I hope they tip the bellboy for that. So you know that during these holidays the hotel occupancy and increasing until 90 and even until 100%, because last time we were thinking that maybe we stay in Sanur, but almost all the hotels in Sanur fully booked. That's why previously during holiday we just decided to stay in one hotel in Nusa Dua. But the thing is that when we stayed, that's the so many people also staying there and bringing so many stuff.
Lucky as the electric scooters are banned, otherwise imagine what's gonna be here. Now it's only bicycles like this one, so it's not that bad, still a lot of people. Also there are some local warungs here. As you can see, you can have a Bali coffee and nasi bungkus. Look to at the front, the cafe and overall situation like this one. Still a lot of tourists. The holiday is gonna finish this afternoon, mostly people gonna go home this afternoon tomorrow. So yeah, but I mean, that's how does it look like. Also I'm gonna show you a little bit the beach situation. Not bad at all, middle low tide this morning. And yeah, gonna look at this one. This is something new. I just realized this car on the top, I think it wasn't there last time. However, I didn't see that. That looks cool. On the look to actually on the top. Here is little charter sanctuary. I'm just at the front of the local warung, like amphibia and stuff like this. I'm gonna show you actually. So that's the amphibia warung. They changed them. Hello. All of this stuff. Still people enjoying. Also 99% of people wherever I am, they are locals here. Which of course there's nothing wrong with that. I'm so happy to see Bali is busy, and even Sanur last night was traffic jam inside. But hold on, this is the Sindhu resort at the front, and then there is the Sol on the beach, a cafe, still like this one, not so busy at the morning, but it's open and very enjoyable, but very hot, keep it in mind. This morning, I love Bali, never coming back. And then there is the Kayu Manis or something like this one next to Sindhu market. That's how does it look like. Overall situation in the morning, not so bad at all, that's for sure. And I'm gonna tell you the situation what's happened to me yesterday. So I had an appointment in Beachfront around afternoon, early afternoon, super busy. Kuta extremely busy. Then I go to North Kerobokan. Then I had a Starbucks when we knew I had a 2 hours appointment. I was in the Starbucks. I was only one non-Indonesian there inside the Starbucks. So all of the customers in Starbucks, they are only local people, which is good. But that's how the Western brands actually are performing very well in Bali. What many people actually are surprised how it's possible. That's how it's possible. Local people really love Starbucks and Western brands. And then I stuck for 2 hours in Sanur in the traffic jam. Even Tamblingan Street was very, very crowded. I don't remember last time when I ever stuck in the traffic jam on Jalan Tamblingan in Sanur, so that's why I didn't make a video. And at morning I think it's more enjoyable in general. Either way, this is the Sagara Villas here. That's the luxury oceanfront villas. It's actually just behind this wall. There's already the first villa you could stay. I'm gonna show you some hotels over there as well. And also at the front of me there's the construction of Magnum Residence, the super luxury ultra, however they call it. Yesterday I even saw paid endorsement, like a paid ad on Instagram displayed to me like a Russian guy talking something about how fancy it's gonna be and stuff. So maybe some of you already see this. I think actually they are Russian owned, to be honest, because of these signs. However, I'm not sure how does it work like under the construction. So the Magnum Residence here, and just more further behind there will be the mall. Still under construction, needs at least 1 year until will be some any big shape. And overall the situation here pretty hot. Our Total Beach Club at the front of me still closed, totally abandoned, unfortunately. That's the actually super sad view of the Our Total Beach Club here in Sanur. Totally no chance for anything, forgotten, and I don't think so ever anything will happen here again. Very, very sad. And also the bamboo construction falling apart slowly here. Very, very sad. But just behind this, like 100 meters, 150 meters behind this abandoned beach club is beautiful resort called Tanjung Sari, as you can see. Very old, very beautiful with the original Balinese accents. Still people enjoying their breakfast, and also the beach situation is very nice with the palm trees, coconut trees. Well, obviously nobody's sitting on the beach because it's so hot, but it's breakfast time, people enjoying. Also not that overcrowded. Actually, this is the only one place where mostly foreigners sitting inside, not many locals. Interesting fact, but a beautiful environment here. Surprisingly, those hotels actually are extremely popular for the Americans and Australian people, sometimes European as well, not necessarily for the local Indonesian, for some reason. As you can see, not many locals here, for some reason, but Americans and Australian always full. Interesting, very interesting.
All right, after walking, we are hungry. Damian decided to have a breakfast first. And then I will stroll around to showing you one of my favorite breakfast place in Sanur. This is a birdhouse. Many of you have been asking us, where is the place for the breakfast, chilling friends, a family, and yeah. One of these is the birdhouse. Now I will take you for the little tour. I really like the concept of the, the buildings, just like a bamboo construction. And you see that the people enjoying time, having a breakfast. And if it is too hot for you, you also can have a breakfast there with the aircon. Nowadays, we just like to have a breakfast in the aircon room. If you don't want to sit in the aircon room, you can sit outside, just like this by the bar, having a breakfast, while enjoying the pool situation. Very nice. So what I can say then, Sanur is definitely a family-friendly place where you can chill and enjoying time with the family. Very nice weather today. All right, so this is the morning situation, basically when you have a breakfast. Very nice, chill, and yeah, what I can say then, almost, full book, right? This is how Sanur in the morning, peaceful. That's why we like to, staying in around area in Sanur. And look at this, full family. All right, thank you so much. Somebody said hi to me before when I was busy filming. They are staying here, family. So yeah, Thank you so much for watching. This is how it is, Sanur. I think still during holiday times, right? Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.